Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I got this really pretty pink and orange colorful eye using the Beat Down palette by Planet Makeup by Lorealusa. If you'd like to see how I got it, then keep watching. Hi guys, first I'm going to go in with this Planet Makeup by Lorealusa palette with collab with Beats by Deb, the Beat Down palette. I'm going to take the color Skin and Snickers. I'm going to begin to kind of wing that out a little bit because I was going for a winged look, but I don't think I took it high enough, so I'm going to try it again next time. So I'm just going to begin to go ahead and carve that out. I did watch this look done by Makeup by Tiffany. I think her name is Tiffany Jones now on YouTube. And I'm just going to begin to just keep trying to carve that out. So now I'm going to take my pencil brush and I'm just going to try to define. Now I'm going to go ahead and go in with this velvety color, and I'm going to begin to use that to go ahead and tap out the edges of that brown. I'm just going to try to, blend those so they don't look so harsh. And I'm just like tapping this color on. As you see little tap marks up there. I should use maybe a smaller brush or more pigment. I don't know, but I'm just going to keep on tapping that out. And you're going to notice my lighting keeps changing through the video. I don't know why. Next, I'm going to go in with the color Juicy, and I'm going to begin to use that to tap out that velvety shade. And I'm just going to begin to blend the edges by tapping that out. And I'm barely touching the color. I'm just pat, real fast. Well, not as fast as the video. I had to speed it up a little bit, but you know what I mean.
From the start, by the way you stare, the way you wrote upon me, yeah. Man, I felt your energy.
Now I'm going to go ahead and go back in with that velvety shade, and I'm going to begin to put that pink back where it goes because I blended some away. And this is when I'm going to begin to drag that color in that winged form. And again with that juicy shade, and I'm just going over those edges. And again back with the velvety shade. Now I'm going to go in with those two browns, and I'm going to begin to put those back. On the outer corner, I begin to go in with a little bit of a darker shade, and that's that darker brown in the palette called King. And I'm just going to begin to go ahead and define the crease. So next I'm going to cut my crease. Now I'm going to go in with the Nostalgia palette from Ace Beauty, and I'm going to grab that shade called Flower and begin to pat that on my lid. And on the outer part, I'm going to go ahead and put that King on. And I'm going to blend that out with that Skin and Snickers. And I'm defining that a little bit more. And I'm going to go back in with some of that flour. Now I'm going to take a little bit of velvety mixed with skin, and I'm going to go ahead and blend that out on the edge. I'm adding a little bit of juicy in my corners, and you could leave it like this. It's perfectly fine. It looks great, but I decided to go in with a little glitter. I've had this glitter a long time. It says it's from Beauty Creations. Now I'm going to go in with the No Problem Primer Essence from Touch and Soul, and I'm going to begin to put that on my face. Now I'm going to go on with my favorite, a Tatcha Silk Canvas Primer, and I'm going to put that on my face. I did go off camera and put on my lashes from Aliexpress Lashes on Amazon, and NYX Epic Wear Ink Liner in the shade Brown. Now I'm going to go in with the Mercier Blurring Primer. I really do like this. Off camera, I'm going to put on my NARS Radiant Longwear in Macao and Manaus. Next, I'm going with this LA Girl liner. I'm going to go in with the Too Faced Multi-Use Sculpting Primer in the shade Ganache, and I'm going to contour my face. I love these concealers. I'm also going to use Chestnut when I highlight my face.
Always up and down and back and forth in merry-go-round. I just wanna get it right, but when you go left, I'm stuck here feeling left behind. Cause something went wrong, the signals got crossed, and now we're going different directions. Let's go where we were, when no one gets hurt. Baby, keep it right there, don't you stress the flow. Trying to pick the pace up, we should take it slow. Baby, keep your focus, don't you make me change my mind. If you love me, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Baby, don't you, baby, don't you, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Baby, don't you, baby, don't you, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. If you love me just like you say you do, don't kill the vibe. If you kill him, you're gonna kill us too. Baby, keep it right there, don't you stress the flow. You're trying to pick the pace up, we should take it slow. Baby, keep your focus, don't you make me change my mind. If you love me, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Baby, don't you, baby, don't you, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Baby, don't you, baby, don't you, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Boy, you had me from the start. By the way you stared, the way you wrote upon me, yeah, yeah. Man, I felt your energy. Wasn't used to being loved and treated differently, yeah. But something went wrong, the signals got crossed, and now we're on completely different pages. Let's go where we were, when no one gets hurt. Baby, keep it right there, don't you stress the flow.
Now I'm going in with the L'Oreal 24-Hour Full Wear Concealer in Toffee.
Baby, keep your focus, don't you make me change my mind. If you love me, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Baby, don't you, baby, don't you, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Baby, don't you, baby, don't you, baby,
I'm
don't
setting
you
this with the one
switch up
size
the vibe.
setting powder in
Take me on a
translucent.
trip. Always up and down and back and forth,
Now
we
I'm going to go in with the Fenty Pro
merry-go-round.
Filter
I just wanna keep it
foundation, soft matte
right.
foundation,
But
and
when
I'm
you go
begin to
left,
set
I'm
all
stuck here
those
feeling
places I did
left
not set before,
behind.
and some of the
'Cause
places I
something went
did, like
wrong.
where I
The signals
carved my
got
cheeks out.
crossed, and
I'm just
now
trying
we're
to get rid of
going
that stark
different
line,
directions. Let's go where
and this
we
is in shade
were
430.
when no one gets hurt. Baby, keep it right there. Don't you stress the flow. You're trying to pick the pace up. We should take it slow.
Next, I'm going in with that
Keep your
same Fenty
focus. Don't you
powder
make me change my mind.
foundation in the shade 460,
If you love
so
me,
I can carve
baby,
out my
don't
cheeks
you switch up the vibe. Baby, don't you,
and face.
baby, don't you, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Baby, don't you, baby, don't you, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. If you love me just like you say you do, don't kill the vibe. If you kill him, you're gonna kill us too. Baby, keep it right there. Don't you
Now I'm
stress
going to
the
go in
flow.
with this Charlotte
You're
Tilbury
trying to
powder,
pick the
and I'm going to
pace
go
up.
ahead
We
and
should
I'm
take it
going
slow.
to brush that powder off.
Baby, keep your focus. Don't you make me change
I'm
my
going
mind.
in with these two palettes from
If you
Morphe.
love
Well,
me,
I got
baby,
both of them, but I
don't
didn't go in
you
with both
switch
of
up
them.
the vibe.
It's the deep and the rich face
Baby,
palettes.
don't you,
And I'm going to go
baby,
in with that
don't you,
Supreme
baby, don't
bronzer
you switch up the vibe.
and that cream
Baby,
blush.
don't you, baby, don't you, baby, don't you switch up the vibe.
Queen blush, I mean.
By the way you stare, the way you rolled up on me,
Y'all, I be jamming.
man, I felt your energy. Wasn't used to being loved and treated different.
We'll be loving you till we're 70.
And now we're on
And here's that
completely
queen
different
blush.
pages. Let's go where we
I
were
like this
when no
blush.
one
The
gets
color is beautiful.
hurt. Baby, keep it right there. Don't you stress the flow.
Now I'm going to go in with the Milani, I want to say it's Prep and Set. Oh, Make It Last.
Baby, keep your
My
focus.
bad.
Don't you
Now I'm
make
going to
me
go
change my
in
mind.
with this Over Highlighter in Bali. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to highlight my nose
Baby, don't you, baby,
and my
don't you,
cheekbones.
baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Baby, don't you, baby, don't you, baby, don't you switch up the vibe.
I did put the Billionaire, that color Billionaire out of that palette on. Now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to go in with this ColourPop BFF4 liner, lip liner. Now I'm going to go in with the shade, these Shine Out Loud lips from NYX. I did use both. First I went in with the darker one, but that was too dark for what I was going for. So I went ahead and went in with that lighter one. And when I tell you these were stuck, baby, they were stuck.
Baby, keep your focus. Don't you make me change my mind. If you love me, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Baby, don't you, baby, don't you, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Baby, don't
And here is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you really liked the look. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Tell me what you'd like to see next. I do got a couple ideas, but I'll see you in my next one. Bye.
if you kill